I really like cooking and I really like 3D printing. I don't have any herbs though. So I'm gonna have 3D printing help me get some herbs so I can cook properly and have some fresh herbs on all of my stuff. So here's the 3D printed tray that I ended up doing for the seeds. Unfortunately, I don't have any seeds in there right now, but we'll come right over here real quick. This is full on light. We'll move this aside. And this is what I have for my tray. So now on this tray, we have our cilantro, we have our parsley, and we have some catnip for our cats. And if we go in and we lift this up, we'll notice that all the roots are there, and that if it needs to drain because of the humidity, then it has holes to drain back in as well. And so once this is all going really well, and I know that these are gonna survive, then we'll end up going in here, and this is that something special that I was going to show you. So come and follow me, and we'll go check this out. So this is the one-stage hydroponic system that I have so far, and this is gonna be the thing that ends up enabling me to grow those herbs to be able to put on my dishes. And so I'm super excited, and I'll probably update you here in about 6 months to a year. And then I know I was going to give you an update on that burro's tail. And this is how that burro's tail turned out. That pot is still doing really well. Everything's holding up for the TPU pot. And the burro's tail is also doing really well. And it's getting really big. This is one of my favorite plants because it has so many different patterns and so many cool different orientations that it has. Stuck around this long, make sure to hit that like button, share this, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps this channel out more than you know. Thanks for watching and have a great day.